Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro has been sued by Brazilian indigenous leaders for crimes against humanity. Two top Brazilian indigenous leaders have asked the International Criminal Court to investigate President Bolsonaro for quote-unquote crimes against humanity, accusing him of unprecedented environmental damage, killings and persecution. Bolsonaro has been accused of destroying the Amazon forest, with deforestation increasing by 34.5% in a year. The Brazilian president is also accused of killing indigenous leaders, which is at an all-time high of 11 years. The suit filed said the situation, the most dramatic in the last 10 years, is a direct result of policies of Bolsonaro, who wants to lift all the barriers to plunder the wealth of the Amazon. Also in July last year, health workers in Brazil had urged the ICC to probe Bolsonaro for crimes against humanity over his handling of the COVID-19 pandemic. An opinion poll in Switzerland has revealed that a clear majority of citizens are in favor of a nationwide ban on face covering, including the burqas. 15,000 eligible voters were surveyed in this poll. Almost 63% of them were in favor of banning face coverings. This opinion poll comes ahead of a full-fledged referendum slated for the 7th of March. In that vote, the Swiss will decide on a host of issues as part of the country's direct democratic system. The proposal does not mention Muslim veils explicitly, but it has been widely interpreted as targeting the burqa. Exceptions have been made in places of worship and for face masks until the end of the pandemic. The proposal is being backed by right-wing Swiss People's Party. Some in the political left are also supporting the initiative, arguing that the burqa is a conservative symbol. The government, on its part, is opposing the nationwide ban. The Swiss Justice Minister argued that full-body covering veils are rare in the country and that most women seen wearing them were tourists. 2 cantons in Switzerland have already banned face coverings. A few others have rejected repeated efforts to introduce it. The government has a counter-proposal which calls for people to reveal their face for identification purposes, like at border crossings or on public transport. This proposal will impose a fine of $11,300 on anyone who refuses to reveal their face.
Je considère que c'est une demi-victoire.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.